Hi viewers, this video talks about server infrastructure of the company. Server infrastructure is built on the company premises as well as using third-party hosting environments. Server infrastructure consists of servers, firewalls, routers, switches, storage, etc. So we try to understand how this server components like infrastructure components like servers, firewalls are built inside the infrastructure. Coming to the slide 2, we will understand these concepts of architecting by following an example of Deeps Corporation Private Limited. Imagine this is a company. Their primary business is on publishing sector. Their office is located at Chennai, and the office has got more than 1,000 computers, and they are VPN users who are accessing the company infrastructure. The company has got firewall, which is Palo Alto, one of the modern firewall. The company virtual server environment is inside their office premise. The company's Deeps Corporation Private Limited has hosted their mail server in the third-party cloud hosting sites like Amazon. So the infrastructure has got L2, L3 switches for their network connectivity. They do have got VoIP switches for voice communication. The company has got 24 terabyte of storage for storing their business data. It is NetApp storage with a fiber channel. We try to understand how the various infrastructure components like server switches have been architected inside the infrastructure of the company. On looking on the left bottom of the architect diagram, we are able to find the web servers, app servers along with the storage have been configured. Inside the DMZ zone of the Palo Alto firewall. On the right bottom of the diagram, we are able to see local network whose IP segment is around 192.168.x.x have been configured for the users who are working inside the office premise. All the server components and computers, user laptops have been connected via L2, L3 switching. This has been directly connected to firewall, then connected to the ISP router for internet communication. Actually, the firewall acts in the middle between the LAN network and ISP router. Like other firewalls, Palo Alto will take care of the traffic coming or going across different zones by applying the required policies inside the firewall. While looking at the left middle of the architect diagram, we are able to see different addressing schemes. Different zones have been assigned with different IP address segment. DMZ segment has got 10.176.10.0/16, and local segment comes around 192.168.x.x. The public segment is purchased from the ISP for accessing the externally hosted servers as well as internal servers for accessing through internet. Coming to the fourth section, that is cloud hosted email server. The IP address is 3.3.3x. Actually, the mail server has been hosted in the Amazon cloud with the HA pair. HA is high availability pair. It is a active/passive mode. Looking on the middle of the architect diagram, we are able to see the company's Deeps Corporation Private Limited have hosted their mail server inside AWS cloud. Just in a case a mail server request is coming from the outside of the office, this mail has been routed to appropriate AWS mail server through Palo Alto firewall after scanning for threats and based on the firewall policy. On top of the architect diagram, we are able to see laptop users from home, and there are users sitting in the internet cave. There are users who are using their own tablets for accessing the company servers. This is done by VPN technology. Palo Alto supports different types of VPNs like SSL VPN, site-to-site VPNs, etc. Site-to-site VPN is mainly employed for B2B environments, that is business-to-business environment. Suppose this Deeps Corporation is going to have the partnership with other companies, then their endpoints have been tunneled using site-to-site VPN. By analyzing the architect diagram of this Deeps Corporation infrastructure, we are able to see how the various components have been architected here. So this video tries to explain the viewers about how the server, storage, network devices have been placed and configured for the complete infrastructure. Thank you.